Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your motion control and test your screen on the Nintendo Switch 2 console. You go to System Settings, Control and Accessories, and then you can choose Calibrate the motion controls. Then go to Console and remove the Joy-Con tool from the console. And if you perform this, you can lay down flat your Nintendo Switch 2 console on a countertop, on a desktop, and let it there for a second or something. And then it will be automatically calibrate the device, and then you can go with back. And if you like to check your screen, go to Input Devices, and then you can see what's going on with the touch screen. Maybe there is a malfunction, and you can then see this, that there is maybe an error or something else. To go out of that, job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!